Alright, today we got the Hyundai Elantra push button start and just completed a remote start. I'll go ahead and tap this button one time. There it goes. Engine starts. In this mode, the screen's off. When you get in the car, you're just going to go ahead and tap the button once and twice. You get the factory screen to come on.
Bitcoin plummeted.
And then
Bitcoin plummeted like a lot.
And then the secondary thing that we did is backup camera repair. This vehicle had a black screen when you put it in reverse. Now the camera works again. I'll show you the camera. Alright, so there's a new camera installed. B-Rad over here building a custom speaker box. Alright, there you have it. If you got a Hyundai Elantra looking for a remote start or repairing the factory backup camera, come see us. We're stereo installs located at 7507 Tyler Boulevard in Mentor, Ohio. You can call us at 440-525-2001. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.